If you don't know about the KFC Double Down, they had it plenty of years back, but I never got to try it. Basically, the buns are chicken. And I missed it, and I've wanted to try it so bad since then, but it's back. Wow. Literally, chicken patty, 2 pieces of cheese and bacon, and sauce. Extremely excited to try this. Wow. My dad told me this was the best chicken sandwich, or one of the best chicken sandwiches he's had. I agree. Tastes amazing. And also I want to talk about their fries. I didn't know they was doing fries like this, because these are really good. The sauce is good. I don't know what it is, but it's good. And this cheese, really creamy. Go get you one of these.